Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are playing Fame Simulator. Look at my little pet. Look at his name, Death. Wow, what a great name. Wow, what a great name. I guess we're gonna be collecting followers. Picture, 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 picture. Woo!
So how do we take pictures here?
You have to click on the screen.
Take a picture of this treasure. And then what do we do with our pictures? Where do they go?
I don't know.
These heart things.
You have to click on
I don't know. This seems hard. 22, 20. What is that? 21, 20, 18.
I'm gonna go buy something.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. 1.
350 followers.
I think that I'm gonna go to this heart thing. Again, click on it and get
A lot of money.
points, I guess. And then if you get enough points,
You get to buy more people.
well, do you get to go to the next section? So,
Death.
how does this work with-
Death.
Get out of here, little person.
That's yours. It says.
Well, then who is the person who put there? That little couple there.
That's your friend. You have to click on the hearts.
I am.
With you have to click on them. And then,
That's what I'm doing right now.
and then Sarah's is supposed to like take you.
I am so.
Yes.
Is that how you do in this game? It's just click stuff?
Click.
Hold on, I'm almost down to this one. I'm almost down. Why?
How am I at this many followers already? What did I do? Whoa! I'm just gonna go buy a noob. Ah! Yes, I'll buy it. A girl guess. It's very common. I like it. Your people like a green star. 1. Equip. I'm gonna change their name. Yeah. Perfect. Where's Meow?
Where are you?
Meow and Death.
I've just been over here clicking hearts.
Beautiful.
I don't know. There's not much action in this game. Let's play something else.
It's a simulator.
Simulating what?
It's a simulator. Do it. Money go.
So what did you buy with your money?
I bought some girl guests to make I get more followers faster.
I have 509 points that I've received.
Yeah, you've barely been doing that.
Why is that person
200? Wait,
And what do you do with the camera? I'm so confused about
they give you followers.
it.
Doink. In the game. Oh, comments. Where's my boy guest? Where? Oh, I gotta name
Do I
it.
just leveled up?
Meow boy. How about? What is the boy thing for meow? How about moo?
Where do you see what
That's not what your followers are. Those are your people that help you.
It said unlock next section. Yes.
You see on the side, do you see those little, you see that blue button?
Yeah. Yeah.
You have 1,000?
How many do you have?
I just spent them all.
How do you spend followers?
Hey, Death, what did you just do? It's one of my people. I named it that. You. But people. No. He just took it all. No. Come on, Death. You don't want to do this by yourself. Chicha. A like chest. Whoa, $450. I have $1,000. I'm gonna go buy something.
If you keep buying stuff, you won't unlock the next section.
Yes, I will. You can buy that if you get more people. If you get more people, you get more money. You get more followers, which is kind of like money in this game. Click.
Currency of the game.
Right here. Go, Mew, Death, and Meow.
I'm just focusing on these chests. They're like 500 followers a pop.
I'm gonna go steal your chest.
Fair
It just disappeared.
Here, yes.
I'm gonna go get my chest. I'm gonna go get a better chest.
Get out of here.
Come on, my babies. Come on. When I'm taking pictures for Instagram, you guys get that like chest. When I'm taking up beautiful pictures for Instagram. How many followers do you have? I'm only at 2,700. I bought so many things. But I'll make it all back. Where even are you? You're in the corner. No. That is so expensive. Why did it want me to buy that? The closer you get, the closer your things get. I sound like a professional, don't I? So you gotta get more views to get more likes. This is like a tutorial. I guess it's like a tutorial. Keep going. My beautiful people! Thanks for all the money. I'm at 5,000 followers. How many are you at? 7,000. I don't have any Well, I do have subscribers on YouTube, but how do you get those? How do you get subscribers? Thanks for $1,000 more, peeps. My peeps. Give me more likes. It's a like chest, so cool. Everybody knows. I'm gonna beat you. Coming for that title. I'm coming. I have more followers this $4,000 crate? Yes, I would like to. Please. Sally Green Gamer. That was common. I'm gonna go buy something for like 1,000 followers. Yes, please. It's a new camera. It gives me like 15 plus followers. How about you? My people. I need more people. You. Sally Green Gamer is not your name.
Sally Green.
You're gonna be.
Name.
You're gonna be cutie. Cutty. Ew. Cutie. Your name is gonna be cute. What are you? Cutie. Cutie a whip. Where's my cutie? I thought I had a whip. A whip. Oh, I guess I'm gonna have to. I mean, like, cutie, you're really cute and all, but I need you to help me, cutie. Cutie, give me more likes, cause I thought you'd give me a ton of likes. Thanks, cutie. I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to cutie, cause cutie is my famous. No, you get. Go, my amazing people. Get all the money. Yes. I'm getting back on top. I already have 6,000. Yeah. Fly, people. I'm getting so much money. I'm so rich. I have stopped. Look at me. I almost have more money than you. Go fly, my people. I almost have enough money to kill you. Evil. I have more money than you. $9,000. Woohoo! I need to get 1,000, but I can't. Go kids. Aha, that's mine. It's cutesy. Thanks for 12. Because she's from an expensive crate. She is more expensive. She was $4,000. Look at my money. I'm at 13,000 followers. You really think you can compete with me? Go, my beauties. Go! Collect that money. What? Go collect! Go. Ah! There's someone.
This gaming session is about to come to a close.
Oh, that's fine. Not.
So we don't get cut off in the middle of the video.
I won't. Because this time I got. Yes.
Okay.
I'm gonna buy something. Okay, never mind. I guess we'll see you on the next one. Remember to have a cutie look in your eyes and be just like cutie. See you on the next one. Bye.
Bye.